It's time for Arnab Goswami on the debate.
Arnab Goswami on the debate at 10. Presented by Reliance Jio. Powered by Havells and Ford. In style partner Raymond.
And not that it's a surprise at all, but it's premature even by the standards of cynics. It's all falling apart. It's barely 6 days since the Khichdi Sarkar in Karnataka was formed, and it seems it's almost nearing its functional end. Let's debate.
The kingmaker is upset.
ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇನು ಲೆಕ್ಕಾಚಾರ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೋ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ, ನಡುವೆ.
The coalition maker is upset.
The Congress candidate has got several criminal cases, and the Election Commission also has registered he has committed a serious blunder.
The chief minister is at the mercy of the Congress party.
ನಾನು ಜನತೆಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಯಾರು ಮುಲಾಜಿಗೆ ಒಳಗಾಗದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಲಾಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಕ್ಷದ ನಾಯಕರ ಮುಲಾಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
Janpath calls it collective responsibility.
Oh no, it is a collective responsibility. All are together. We will be together. We will run the show.
A second admission from the puppet chief minister.
Now I am in the mercy of Congress. I am in the mercy of Congress.
And a move that could mean it's back to square one.
Coalition is only for the administration. They will run the government.
The writing is on the wall as anti-Modi bloc takes a stand.
We came to give support to Kumar Shamiji because he is leading the regional party.
Hey, come on. No, please. No, please.
In an alliance that is breaking up even before it's formed, can there be space for a Congress mercy government? Let's debate.
Tanveer Ahmed. What is going on? I have no question here. What is, you're providing daily entertainment to the people of India. Huh? Kanchan Gupta, we are happy with the entertainment, but what is this? The government? You call this a government, Nupur? Tanveer?
Yes, it is a government.
The mockery.
It is indeed a government.
I told you
What kind of government?
in your last program, Arnav.
Huh?
I remember watching Circus.
I said in your
when I
last
was a
program,
child.
हमको मालूम है
I think
जन्नत
it
की
is playing
हकीकत.
in Karnataka.
6 days have happened.
दिल
They
को
have
ख्याल
fought,
रखने के
they have
लिए
fought
ये ख्याल
8
भी अच्छा है
times.
गालिब.
They have fought 8 times in 6 days. There have been 6
सरकार
major
तो बना लो.
Huh? What would you say to Tanveer, Nupur?
You know, there are 2 points which pop up actually, Arnab. One is Kumaraswamy, Chief Minister
say whatever they want to
of
say.
the
I will
people
tell
to
you
serve
the
the
right thing.
people. Are you not? Allow me to finish, yaar. Why you rattled? अरे मुझे बोलने तो दो. Is Kumaraswamy CM to serve the people or the fake royal family of the Congress party? That's one.
आप ही का दिन है, आप ही की रात है, आप ही की इवनिंग है, बताइएगा.
सुनो. आपकी सरकार ही नहीं बन पा रही है. दूसरी बात सुनिए. And life comes a full circle for Congress party from robo PM to robo CM. मतलब full power, full access, zero accountability. लूट मचा लो and have a puppet profiteering government in place. आपकी वो, I'm sorry, आपके वो वजूद रह गया है आज कर्नाटका में.
हो गया? Can I answer?
Yes, go on.
नहीं, बोलने को तो बहुत है, मैंने कहा आप जवाब देंगे.
Arnab, for the first time
You have an answer.
Arnab, I'm so happy that you are laughing your heart out. But unfortunately, all this laugh from Nupur and the others is going to be short-lived.
Why are you happy?
Why? Arnab, actually, you know, coalition is a serious business.
I can
Coalition
make out.
is a very serious business.
I can make
it's not
out.
that, you know, you run
Really?
you don't run government like Hitler. You don't run government like Hitler.
Hitler.
Yeah, you run government from
You
Italy.
don't run government like Hitler.
Yeah, we know, you run government from Italy.
You don't run government like Hitler.
छुट्टी जाओ,
Like who
छुट्टी
come
जाओ,
sit and say that
सरकार
from
जाए
today
पार्टी में.
demonetization is happening. A Hitler would come and say आज से demonetization
हाँ, तो
हो गया.
demonetization कर दिया
ऐसे
आपने.
नहीं होता है. कोalition पार्टनर को बात करना पड़ता है. कोalition पार्टनर को बात करनी पड़ती है. We have to really stick across the
what's happening is far more serious.
Why are you laughing so much?
What's happening is far more serious and deflecting attention
I tell you,
from what's happening.
Tanveer, one minute. You debate with Kanchan.
Why are you laughing so much, Arnab?
अरे मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है.
I like you so much, Arnab. I'm so glad.
अरे अर्नब को छोड़ने के लिए सरकार तो होनी चाहिए.
Kanchan is debating with you. I'm only laughing today.
I mean, you know, it's a serious situation.
It is.
It's a serious situation. I don't know why Tanveer feels so giggly about it. So I think, you know, he has talked about Hitler. No, this is not a coalition government or a Hitler government. This is a Vichy government. Now, please go and look up what is the Vichy government.
That is
VICHY. And you will understand why I am calling it a Vichy government.
Why you are pained? Because from, you know, Karnataka, the beginning of
I am not rattled. I am not rattled. You have a government. You say that coalition is a serious business. You go and make your chief minister goes and says, I am grateful to the Congress. I am not grateful to the people of Karnataka. So he is running a government for the Congress, or is he running a government for the people of Karnataka? Let him first decide that.
For the sake of democracy, for the sake of constitution, for the sake of secularism, the government will
Ajay, I'm not
stay.
debating with you.
Karnataka is my question.
Pradeep, 1 second.
No, my question is he the chief minister or is he the Congress
Ajay,
minister?
look.
Has Kumaraswamy basically accepted that he is no longer the chief minister of Karnataka and he is the Congress minister of Karnataka, which will be run by the remote control of DK Shiv Kumar? What is happening to the promises given to the people of Karnataka? This is not a circus which is going on. Is this what the people of Karnataka voted for? No, it's a very serious. I have a question to Tanveer ji.
You have fooled people.
No,
You
what has
have
happened to
fooled
the promises
people
to
for
the
last 4
farmers?
years.
What has happened
In
to
the
the
name of
promises that he
Achhe
gave that
And
within
all that
24 hours he
you're
will
asking
waive
us
off
to
everything?
ask a question
It's
is
been
for
days
6
you're
days.
not forming the
No,
government.
you ruled people for 4 years. 4 complete years you did nothing except for fake promises, fake jumlas. And only 6 days you are making us accountable.
Never did the Prime
Ajay,
Minister
look,
say
Ajay,
that he
look.
was the Prime
We are
Minister
there
of
to stay.
Congress. Your
And
Chief
we will-
Minister is
Tanveer,
saying he is
guys
a
are
Congress
fooled
minister.
people. And today, the people who
Tanveer,
have
can you
fooled the
listen?
people are going to ask, and they
First
have an
of all,
audacity
Tanveer,
to ask this question to
You
us.
never got the mandate to rule Karnataka.
Ajay bhai, boliye Ajay bhai.
You never got the mandate to rule Karnataka.
What is
Make
mandate
this thing very
according to
clear
you?
in your head.
What is
First and
mandate
foremost
according to
thing.
you?
दूसरी
No,
बात,
no.
दूसरी बात,
Did Nitish
दूसरी
Kumar get
बात,
mandate?
दूसरी बात,
Does Nitish
दूसरी
Kumar
बात,
have
अरे
mandate?
दूसरी बात सुन लीजिए।
No, does
मैंने
Nitish Kumar have
कहा था,
mandate?
हमको
अरे
मालूम है
नीतीश कुमार
जन्नत
जी
की
के पास
हकीकत।
mandate है क्या?
हमको
What are you
मालूम है
talking
जन्नत
about?
की
Tanveer louder.
लेकिन दिल को खुश रखने के लिए ये ख्याल भी अच्छा है गालिब। अब आप सुनिए तनवीर जी, इतना एजिटेट होने की जरूरत नहीं है। डोंट गेट एक्साइटेड।
अरे गालिब का शेर थोड़ा अच्छी से बोल दीजिएगा। यू कम फ्रॉम उर्दू लैंड, हिंदी लैंड। अरे हम साउथ इंडियन है, हम आपसे अच्छा शायरी बोलते हैं।
अरे अब गालिब का शेर सुन लो गालिब का शेर तब तो समझोगे आप सुन लो।
What is going on today?
Agitate हो गए हो। I admire Kumaraswamy today because for the first time a pawn who is made king has admitted that he has
I never enjoyed your show as much as I'm enjoying it today.
A pawn who has been made king
JDU
has
is
admitted that he has
BJP is
pawn.
worried, Kanchanda is worried, and you are only one who is happy about it. That's a nice thing.
Again,
this only poses one question. What about that conglomerate in Bangalore? What will happen to that conglomerate?
Fuad Halim takes that. Fuad Halim.
Ekta conglomerate.
Fuad
You are all
Halim.
divided between PWD and electricity department.
You
That
see-
I want this, I
you
want
see,
that.
Fuad Halim.
So when you get the country,
Fuad Halim.
you will keep on dividing the assets.
Fuad Halim, the question is to you very simple.
You know the main fight is who
No,
will get PWD, who will get electricity.
One minute here. Ajay, look, just because I'm laughing, you won't let me talk also. Now I'll get very serious. Listen to me. See, democracy is not a compromise. I know that as a communist you don't believe in democracy, but it is not a compromise. You should know it. When Kumaraswamy makes the kind of comment like, I don't even have the mandate. He says, I don't have the mandate. I requested the people to give me a mandate. If I had a mandate, I would not have to be under someone else's mercy. But today, I am not having a mandate and I am at the mercy of the Congress. I am not at the mercy of the 6.5 crore people of the state of Karnataka. Now, I'll put this in context. This, I say, is post-government formation cheating. Before you formed a government, you got together, you had a little party, you called people together, you held hands, you went to the governor, and you said, Mr. Governor, we have the mandate. What was the floor test about? It was about a mandate. What did you repeatedly assert? We have the mandate, we have the will. 6 days after forming the government, you merrily go around, you turn your position, you do a comedy shop thing, you just turn around, you do a U-turn and you say, I am crushed by the Congress, I don't have a mandate. Do you know what that means in a democracy? To say I don't have a mandate, which means you have no right to be in the Chief Minister's chair, Tanveer Ahmed. It's not a joke. It's a very, 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 very serious matter. We are concerned, Tanveer. If the Chief Minister, I can't hear you.
Arnab, I know we are concerned. The people
Well,
of
we are
state
concerned too.
I know, Arnab, it is not a joke. But
you have said we don't have a mandate.
We are concerned too. We are here to make.
If you don't have a mandate, why are you in the why are you in power?
Serious way, as serious as you have asked me this question. Arnab, it is a serious business. Coalition is a serious business. That is what exactly we are saying. Yes, we are here to stay. We would definitely, we are continuing to stay. We are going to serve the people.
They
had a man called Kumaraswamy and they
come on. But you say you don't have a mandate. Ajalo.
The Congress has made a mockery of this. And Congress is responsible. And Mr. Tanveer Hassan, uselessly you are shouting. Your own leader, your own Chief Minister has admitted this. I don't have the mandate. I am not at the mercy of the people of Karnataka, but I am at the mercy of the Congress. Go and talk to the Chief Minister first. Then you should appear on the debate.
Firstly,
please admit that you are at the mercy of the Congress. And I admire your Chief Minister for that. He has.
Do you have anything free?
You
tell me about 371J.
But in the whole fiasco, the Congress has made mockery of this constitution, mockery of democracy.
Doesn't give you special status.
Admit this.
Kanchan Gupta,
Congress has made you the Chief Minister. Now Congress wants to
I don't understand what I don't know. I really don't know why Tanveer is trying to even defend this sort of a situation. Your Chief Minister has gone and said he doesn't have a mandate. Your Chief Minister goes and says, I am at the mercy of the Congress. Your Chief Minister goes and says, I am not my own master. And you are here trying to defend that. What kind of coalition politics? What is this coalition? This is not a coalition.
And more than that, Rajiv Rai. And more than that, Rajiv Rai on the debate. And more than that, Rajiv Rai is on the debate. And Rajiv is on the debate with Nupur.
This is a coalition without cooperation.
Now, Pradeep, 1 second. Rajiv Rai on the debate with Nupur. Nupur, 1 minute. Small point that I'm making here. See, Rajiv Rai, I'll just make a small point. I'll leave you to debate with Nupur. See, you have an assembly of 224. You have 37 MLAs. The whole country told you, don't do this, don't make someone with 37 MLAs Chief Minister. But you said, हमको 2019 का फॉर्मूला मिल गया है. ये है हमारा फॉर्मूला. इधर से उधर से, कहीं से उधर से कोई रीजन हो नहीं हो, कहीं से पकड़ के सबको ले आएंगे और फिर देश की जनता को बोलेंगे कि देखिए ऑल वर्सेस मोदी में जो हम सर चकराएगा चूर चूर हो जाएगा। अरे 5 दिन में तो सरकार की बेसिस चूर चूर हो गई जब चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कहा मेरी कोई मैंडेट नहीं है, आई एम ऑन द मर्जी ऑफ द कांग्रेस पार्टी। इस फॉर्मूला को लेके आप 2019 में जाना चाहते हैं। आप इधर उधर की बाई इलेक्शन विक्ट्रीज के बारे में फोकस मत कीजिए। 2019 में आप लोगों को जाके क्या कहेंगे? सच्ची में सोचिए, क्या कहेंगे कि कर्नाटका में ये हुआ, अभी देश में करते हैं कि कर्नाटका में ये किया, अब देश में वही एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, तो लोग आपको क्या कहेंगे? राजीव राय, मुझे मत बोलिए, नुपुर को बोलिए, नुपुर के साथ डिबेट कीजिए आप।
नहीं अर्नव, नहीं आपके साथ शुरू करूंगा। आप बहुत खुश थे और तनवीर भाई समझ नहीं पाए आपकी खुशी को। 2 लाइन में इतना जो मुस्कुरा रहे हो, क्या गम है जो छुपा रहे हो?
नहीं
सुनिए, हम वही कहेंगे पूरे देश में जो जाके जो नागालैंड, मणिपुर, गोवा और कश्मीर में भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ ही जस्टिफाई करते हैं। And you should have laughed now when Alok Bhai was asking about the mandate. Alok Bhai was asking about the mandate, what the mandate Kumar Swamy has. He should have explained. He should have laughed at his preaching. I mean, he's talking.
His mandate was for Nitish Kumar. Don't be under any confusion. Mandate was for Nitish Kumar.
What was his mandate?
The election was fought under the name of Nitish Kumar and you contested against us. आप हमारे खिलाफ लड़े थे, मत भूलिए। मैंडेट नीतीश कुमार के नाम पे मांगा गया था और आज भी नीतीश कुमार के नाम पे ही मैंडेट है। राजीव राय जी, मेमोरी फ्रेश कर दूं आपकी, मेमोरी फ्रेश कर देता हूं। बीजेपी के खिलाफ नीतीश कुमार के नाम पे मैंडेट मांगा गया था।
आप
अंग्रेजी कम समझ में आती है आपको?
अपना
अंग्रेजी समझिए,
बीजेपी ने
अंग्रेजी समझ लीजिए ठीक से। मैं जानता हूं समाजवादी पार्टियों और समाजवादियों को अंग्रेजी कम समझ में आती है। यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मैंडेट? डू यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मैंडेट? मैंडेट इज व्हाट अखिलेश यादव
आपको मैंडेट मिला था, बीजेपी से गाली गलौज किए थे, आपका डीएनए ठीक हो गया, सत्ता मिल गई, एक बात तो डीएनए ठीक हो गया। अंग्रेजी सिखा रहे हैं आपको, भोजपुरी से अंग्रेजी सब सिखा दूंगा। आपको शर्म आती है दूसरों को प्रीचिंग देते हुए? आपको मैंडेट मिला था, आप किसके तलवे नहीं चाहते सरकार के लिए, किसके साथ नहीं बदले?
बात समझिए,
आपको मैंडेट
राजीव
मैंडेट की बात करते हैं,
मैंडेट ना सिखाए,
पार्टनर बदल देते हैं।
पहली बात की मुलायम के नाम पे मैंडेट आता है, बेटा बन जाता है चीफ मिनिस्टर, बाप को निकाल देता है और आप मुझे मैंडेट की लेक्चर दे रहे हैं। नीतीश कुमार के नाम पे चुनाव लड़ा गया था बिहार में, है हिम्मत तो इसको जस्टिफाई कीजिए।
आपकी बेशर्मी बोल रहे हैं।
अरे हमारे
नीतीश कुमार जब चाहे जिसके साथ जा सकते हैं। नीतीश कुमार की होती तो अपने क्यों नहीं लड़ गए होते? अपने दम पर क्यों नहीं बना दिए? अपने क्यों नहीं लड़ गए? आप मैंडेट की प्रीचिंग देंगे देश में, रातों रात पार्टनर बदल देंगे, 5 मिनट में इस्तीफा दे देंगे। आप प्रीचिंग आपके पास
पहले मुलायम सिंह से पूछिए क्या
लिखा जाएगा,
उसके बाद यहाँ अखिलेश की बात बोलिएगा।
लिखा जाएगा जिस
अच्छा शिवपाल से ही पूछ लीजिए। अरे हमारा इतिहास तो स्वर्णिम रहेगा कि हमने बिहार को कहां से कहां पहुंचाया और आपके इतिहास में रहेगा कि उत्तर प्रदेश को घर पे पहुंचा दिया आप लोग।
आप लिखवा कर ले और आप ना
लीडर अकेले नेता थे।
अरे आप पहुंचा रहे हैं, पा जाएंगे ना, पा जाएंगे। आप कहने लायक नहीं है। शर्म नाम की कोई चीज होती है, शर्म नाम।
Calm down both of you.
मुझे ज्ञान दे रहे हो? आपका इतिहास क्या है? आप अपने इतिहास के बारे में नहीं जानते हैं। आपके एक प्रवक्ता घनश्याम तिवारी को बोला था कि इतिहास पढ़ के
फुआद हलीम एंड नुपुर, फुआद हलीम एंड नुपुर। You see Fuad, 1 minute. Ajay Alok and Rajiv Rai, I think you've gone off track. I'm going to Fuad Halim and Nupur. 1 second. Let Fuad come first because he has not spoken, and then you counter him. Then you counter him. 1 second. No. We are basically asking one question, Fuad, today, which is that the last 5 days in Karnataka have proved one thing to the people of India. That this khichdi opposition, divided over everything including themselves, cannot govern together. Let me tell you the 5 days for you and a few signals. First, Mamata Banerjee gets angry and stormed off. Second, Deve Gowda on Saturday while campaigning for RR Nagar says, yes, we are in coalition government, but my party is not for sale. Fact of the matter is, there is no holy alliance, you know it. There is a selfish greed of power. Fact number 3, the Congress JDS will fight separately the elections despite governing together. Then why did you go to the governor and said we are ideologically together? Fourth, the bitter pill has been admitted. DK Shivakumar has gone and clearly said that Rahul Gandhi has taken a decision. I had to swallow my bitterness to do this duty. Fact number 5, there is still a fight going on over portfolio allocation. Kumaraswamy has openly admitted that there is a fight over the finance ministry portfolio. If so many days have passed and you're still fighting over portfolios, what are you doing? And today you have gone and said we don't have the mandate. We are at the mercy of one party. Fact of the matter is, you know what? Each day after day after day after day, Fuad, people of this country have watched that there was no reason for you to come to power except the pull of just being in government. But there is no glue, there is no basis, there is no common belief, there is no vision, there is no agenda, there is no pro-poor policy. You're simply there for yourself. And that's why you're fighting so hard over portfolios, over who's going to be deputy chief minister, one day over who has the mandate, who doesn't have, one day over seat distribution. This battle is a very, very ugly battle. When people see coalition partners fight like this in the open, like you saw the pictures of Mamata Banerjee that day in a video where she said, I've been insulted. At the swearing in of Kumaraswamy, they may be Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi, but I have been insulted, I'm a chief minister. You see these egos at play. Please tell me, Fuad, who in the country will have any faith, leave alone another state government, at handing you the center? What will you do with the country if you are given this opportunity to come together? People are not going to change. Personalities will not change. Egos will not change. Ambitions will not change. You will do a mega national version of Bengaluru.
Can I start speaking?
Nobody in India now wants, even people in Bengaluru don't want this. Leave alone people in Delhi, Fuad.
Arnab, I just have to say one thing.
No, 1 sec. Let Fuad respond and then you respond after Fuad. I think Fuad agrees with me today.
Yeah, Arnab. Thank you. I fully agree with you. In fact, you're prophetic. Today is the day when the Shiv Sena and the Bharatiya Janata Party are fighting it out in Maharashtra in 2 Lok Sabha by-elections. You know, they have no business running the government in the center if the NDA partners are squabbling amongst themselves. You are prophetic, you know. You are absolutely, you hit the nail on the head. Today, the Bharatiya Janata Party is down to 270 seats in the Lok Sabha. You know, they came to power with 282 seats and they are down to 270 seats. Nupur, please, I didn't interrupt. Arnab, I am not going to enter into any sort of cat fight with Nupur.
I'm not going to get a chance. You cannot get away with lying.
You have my time.
You cannot get away with lying. In Lakshmadweep Lok Sabha constituency, NCP fought against Congress party.
I sincerely believe that Republic TV owes you time, so you can take my entire time.
They fought against
Go ahead,
each other in
Nupur.
Lakshmadweep. नहीं इसका जवाब दे दो. जवाब दो इसका. NCP fought against Congress in Lakshmadweep Lok Sabha election in 2014.
Nupur, let him complete.
Partner. Do they have any right to continue as UPA coalition?
No.
What are you talking about?
No, Nupur, let him complete, then Tanveer will reply. 1 second, Nupur, let Fuad complete. Go on.
Yeah. Now, as I say, Arnab, you are exceptionally prophetic because whatever you have just said applies this day to the Bharatiya Janata Party and the NDA coalition. If the very reasons you have mentioned that the Congress and the Kumaraswamy's alliance should be challenged in Karnataka, those very reasons are valid for the BJP coalition today at the national level. I think so the Shiv Sena and the Bharatiya Janata Party do not have the face to present before the nation and say that they are the running coalition that's in charge of the nation. The Bharatiya Janata Party has been reduced to a minority. They have
I will. Kanchan is responding on the answer, then I will. Kanchan Gupta, Kanchan on the left, Kanchan.
Let's be very clear. The Bharatiya Janata Party today should be ashamed of itself.
I don't want to get into a needless pact with you. So please try to listen, Fuad. Fuad, please try to listen instead of pleading for the Congress.
Number 2.
You just continue to talk.
Please talk about those Lok Sabha fight that's taking place today.
Fuad,
let's talk about today's news. Let the Shiv Sena and the Bharatiya Janata Party place their party positions vis-a-vis the government of India
have contested an assembly
Don't
election
run away from
separately.
the national government.
What are you talking
Today the
about?
national government has
you
become
just want
a
to talk.
coalition of
You just want to
opportunists.
say anything
They are
and you
just
want to get
thinking
away
of
with it.
themselves. Arnab was
What are you
very
talking?
right.
What
Today the Shiv
opportunism?
Sena and the
You-
Bharatiya
you,
Janata
the
Party, especially
CPM,
Narendra
by
Modi,
joining
is just
hands with
thinking
the
of
Congress,
himself. He
you
wants
are
to
the
cling on
biggest
to power.
opportunists.
They are fighting elections
You are
in
the
Maharashtra
biggest
against each
opportunists
other,
who are-
and they want
But
to
then
present
when
to
you
the
have
nation
admitted-
of
Congress and
of
Kano
India,
are-
No,
that
but
they
when you have
are
admitted-
a
One
hunky
with
dory
that
But
coalition.
when
What are you
when you have admitted,
Keep on talking nonsense.
when you have admitted we are going to debate too, when you have admitted, you see, I have one question and I move on to the next debate.
Whatever allegations that Arnab has raised
Tanveer.
are fully valid on the same basis.
Do you feel comfortable with TMC? What? Do you feel comfortable with TMC on your side? How are you doing coalition politics with TMC on your side?
It's also sauce for the gander.
My question
So,
is, what
my
is the
dear, the TMC is an old ally of the Bharatiya Janata Party. So I think so the Bharatiya Janata Party is giving
What are you talking
exceptional
about?
blessings to the Trinamool Congress. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about the opposition. Nupur, you please tell the nation as to why the opportunist Bharatiya Janata Party Prime Minister Narendra Modi is with the opportunist Shiv Sena at this point of time when you are fighting elections against each other.
And you are with TMC.
Is the Karnataka...
And how are you fighting
when you're
elections
raising
together?
such,
How are you
such
fighting?
great
One question
moral
to-
questions regarding Karnataka, please
Tanveer.
tell the nation
Tanveer.
what you're doing,
What
Nupur.
is your vision?
Tanveer.
No, what is
Tanveer.
your point regarding the
Tanveer,
TMC?
Tanveer, one question. Tanveer, if you cannot decide
sir.
on who is going to be finance
Yes,
minister
sir.
of Karnataka and you are having this massive and ugly fight over who is going to be finance minister of Karnataka, then how will you run the country?
Arnab, we will definitely run the country. We will run the state also. All this happiness and shouting and screaming from my partner, my friends who are very happy is going to be very short-lived. The people of Karnataka would definitely get a better government, strong government, a government which is going to be pro-people, a government which is not going to be, the moving here and there. Come on, Nupur, I don't need to really learn. We don't need to learn how to run coalition government. We have run coalition in the government in the past and we know how to run it.